Good morning to everybody, especially to the dignitaries who are sitting on dais. I am Guruvera, Chief Engineer, Kulibut Sharp and Development Authority. Presently, I am looking after the restoration of the heritage structures in the entire Wood City and multi-level parking complexes in Wood City. Regarding our center, because of this center only I am able to do my service in an effective manner. When I came to this center about 1.5 years back, I could not able to walk also. Now with the help of this center, I am able to do my service very effectively. This, because of our Guruji Yogasarya only, it has become possible for me. I underwent a very big circle. Shankar sir came from US and he advised us on fasting. Fasting also I am following. Because doctors also could not able to sort out some issues. Because of this fasting, all those problems are being sorted out, not sorted out completely. It is under progress. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.